Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Let's talk about the best deals going on over at Target and at Walmart for the week. Lots of great deals. Of course, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. I'm also going to share with you the dinners that I'm making this week. You can always find those over on my website, savingwithchristina.com, where I talk about kind of the alterations that I made to the recipes and what I thought about the meal after I've made it. But I'll tell you what's on the plan for this week. I also want to share a couple of holiday gift ideas. I said that I would be doing that throughout the holiday season, something a little bit more unique than maybe the traditional gifts. So I'm excited to share a couple of those with you guys. I am sharing deals as I find them on the community tab for YouTube, as well as on my Instagram stories. So check one or both of those places. I also share them on my Facebook. So you can find deals any of those places, but I'm trying to put them out there on the different platforms for people who follow me on just one platform. Let's talk about two of the holiday gift ideas that I saw this week that you might want to check out. One is a super big discount on canvas print. So if you're one of those people who like to, get family photos developed and put on canvases on the wall, or even just beautiful landscape photos or your kids' art. Oh, how fun would that be? There's a deal on canvas prints. I'll link it down in the comments below, but it was like up to 90% off on those. And it looks like they're really good quality. I have not purchased from the company before. I don't have pictures like that on my wall. We used to in an old house, and then I just haven't done it in this house. I literally have canvases that are just stored in the closet because I don't really have a great place to put them. Should probably give them to my mom because I bet she'd put them up just about anywhere. The other deal, and this one I did try out, but it hasn't arrived yet. So a couple of people said they were looking for skincare deals for their teen or for their adult children. And I saw this deal yesterday, 90% off on the Geology products. Haven't tried them before, so I went to their website to sign up. It is a subscription. However, right now it's 90% off, and they send you, they do a little quiz on what type of skin you have and what you're looking for. And then they recommend products, and they send you trial size versions of the products that they're recommending for you. That way you can try it out and see if you like it. So my trial for 5 products came out to $3. Plus I had to pay for shipping, which was like $4.95. So all in, it was right at $8 to have it shipped. Obviously it hasn't arrived yet. I ordered it yesterday. It does sign you up for a subscription to send it to you every 3 months, but on their website it says you can cancel anytime. So with most subscription boxes, I don't keep them indefinitely. I keep them a couple of months, or I do it for a month. Sometimes I've just done the trial and then stopped after that. You just have to do what makes sense for you. I'll update you once I've tried it, but again, I'll drop that link down below if you want to check it out as a gift for yourself or for a member of your family or a friend. Okay, let's talk about Target. First of all, open your Target app and click on the Target Circle offers. I noticed I had a coupon for $5 off a $15 food purchase. I'm going to show you how I use that here in just a second. But I also noticed a few 50% offers on food, a few 25 to 35% offers on produce, which I love. And then there were a couple of 35 to 40% off different food products. So that's a super simple deal. Just clip that in your Target app and then scan it or enter your phone number. I always enter my phone number at checkout, but you can just scan your wallet through your Target app if you want. But easy deals if you want to do them that way at Target. Now, I hit my free turkey, which I picked up from Ibotta, which I picked up at HEB. So I think it cost me $13.92 for the turkey. I got back $14 on Ibotta. Then I had to do 4 more offers on Ibotta to get the side dishes unlocked, which I did. So I picked up the turkey gravy and the Jiffy corn mix at Target. You could do it at Walmart if you want. I picked it up at Target because I did it as part of that 5 off 15. So the turkey gravy at Target is $1.59. You get $1.40 back on Ibotta if you have that offer unlocked, making it 19 cents. I'll tell you how much it is at Walmart here in just a minute. The Jiffy, this was 55 cents at Target, getting 65 cents back on Ibotta, making it free and a 10-cent moneymaker. I also, with that food deal, picked up the, this is the brand. We've already gotten into these. Is it Creators? GH Creators? I don't know if I'm saying that right. The popcorn mix, these are $3.49. There's a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.99. Now, I've heard that the stores that sell the smaller bags that are $1.49 still qualify for the $1.50 rebate, so you could snag those for free. My store doesn't carry those. So I grabbed the big bag at $3.49, getting $1.50 back on Ibotta. I shared these with the kids at pickup yesterday. Guess which kid didn't eat any of it? Mine, of course. The El Monterey burritos. This is a great deal. I got the sausage, egg, and cheese because it's the only one my store had. $1.49. Shopkick is currently giving back $1.88, making it free, and a 39-cent moneymaker. And of course, I paired this with that 5 off 15. Now, so far for that 5 off 15, I bought the Jiffy, the gravy, the popcorn, and the El Monterey. I then picked up these Kraft mac and cheese cups again. They're $8.39, and Shopkick is giving back $4 in kicks back, which makes it $4.39. So I'm trying to find my little sticky where I wrote down the total. I don't have it. So I'm just going to make that up on the fly. So I bought all of those items together with that 5 off $15 and then all of the rebates back. I'll pop it up here on the screen because I don't remember. It was less than $2 for all of those products after that coupon. So amazing deal. Thank you, Target. Some people got a 10 off 40. The coupon you get is going to be based on your purchasing behavior. Now, a great laundry deal, and hopefully this rebate is still on Ibotta. Right now at Target, there's buy 3 laundry products, get a $10 gift card. I picked up a big Tide, priced at $12.99. Any of them, priced at $12.99. There's a $2 digital coupon. I picked up a big Gain. Any of them, again, the Gain, the liquid, the pods, whatever, $12.99. Then I picked up this Downy Rinse and Refresh at $12.99. There is a $3 coupon on that one. You'll pay $31.97 at the register after your coupons come off. Then you're going to get a $10 gift card from Target back. It works in store as well. Some people ask me that because the wording on the thing is weird. It says pickup or delivery. It works in store. I did it in store. Got $10 back. Then I got $6.50 back on Ibotta for this Downy. That's the one you want to double check, make sure it's still there. Making my final cost $15.47 for all 3 of those, and they're normally $12.99 a piece. So that makes them just $5.15 each. Great deal on laundry products, and this would have me set for a very long time. All right, that was it. No, I lied. I also picked this up. So this Born Simple, there's a couple different ones. There's the marinara and there's the tomato basil. I found a 100% rebate that I will link for you down below. These are $5.99. $5.99 really for this? But you get 100% back. Now, there is a $2 coupon. So I actually used that coupon. I paid $3.99, then I got $3.99 back. If you plan on purchasing this again, don't use the coupon the first time when you're going to get 100% back. Use the coupon the second time when you're not going to get 100% back. But I paid $3.99. I got $3.99 back in my Venmo literally within about 30 minutes of submitting that receipt. It was already in my Venmo account. So I'll link that for y'all down below. That was everything at Target. Let's talk about meals that I'm cooking, then we'll move on to Walmart. So on Sunday, cooking bug hit me. I made spaghetti pie as well as a brownie pie. So I saw this Instagram beautiful brownie pie. I go to the website to see the recipe, and the girl's like, get out your pie weights. I'm like, okay, like that's not working. I am not a pie weight kind of person. So I start searching for like easy brownie pie recipe. So I bought a refrigerated pie crust, a box of brownie mix, added a half a cup of water and an egg, baked it. Oh my gosh, that pie was so yummy. So, not that I ate it all. I ate a piece, and then I ate a piece 2 nights later, and it was still really good. I also made the Morningstar veggie burgers that we got on clearance from Walmart Plus, and I bought a rebate. I made those, and those were actually really good. I was surprised. I don't typically like veggie burgers, but the Morningstar Farm ones were pretty good. I also made a kale salad because I got an enormous bag of kale last week, and I'm trying to use it up. So I made a big old kale salad, which I love, and I have that recipe linked on my website. Last night I did barbecue salmon with couscous and steamed carrots. I honestly did not do the steamed carrots. My son did, and then I ate more of the kale salad because I love it. Tonight, I think we're doing breakfast for dinner because remember I got those French toast things last week for free from Social Nature. I'm going to do that for my son. I'm going to also do some scrambled eggs for him. I'll probably do, for me, like scrambled eggs and avocado on a piece of toast because that sounds really good. Then I have a tortilla soup recipe that I'm making. And normally when I do soup, my son doesn't eat enough to give him enough calories, so I'll probably make him a quesadilla to go along with that. Some of you have said, I'm impressed by what your son will eat. I don't think he's very adventurous, but I've been putting vegetables into him since day one. Well, maybe not day one, but I've given him a lot of vegetables over the years, so he's pretty good about eating his veggies. Let's talk about Walmart. The Lay's deal is still going. $1.48. Buy 2 of them. You're going to get $3.48 back, making them free and a 52-cent moneymaker. Now, as you can see, this syrup is not brand new. I did not buy this week, but the deal is going on this week, so I wanted to show you. I don't want to buy things I don't need right now. So I want to show you the deal, exactly how it would work, but I did pull these out of my fridge and my pantry. So the Pearl Milling Company pancake mix, it is $2.94. The syrup is $3.47. Look and see if your store has a cheaper one. This is the cheapest one that my store carries. I paid $6.41 for both of the items. There's $1 off 2 on coupons.com, so I got that back, as well as a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta and a 60-cent rebate on Ibotta, making your final cost $4.06 for both, or just $2. I'm totally gonna sneeze. $4.06 for both, or $2.03 each. So a long time ago, I would have edited that out, but y'all know I'm not a perfect human being, and I do sneeze sometimes. Okay, Glade plug-in, $1.78. Get $1.50 back on Ibotta, making it just 28 cents. Would I normally pay 28 cents for this? No. If I'm working towards an Ibotta bonus, it's a super inexpensive one. I did hit my midweek bonus of $1 back on Ibotta, but then there's a bigger one that I'm working towards. I think I need 40 offers for $10 maybe. The Febreze is a freebie. This is $3.24. I got back $3.30 on Ibotta, making it a 6-cent moneymaker. This one I'm excited about. Now, there is a cheaper version. The Downy Calm is cheaper. I just wanted to try out this Wrinkle Guard. Don't tell me if they don't work, because I'm just really hopeful that they do work. This was $7.47. There was a $2 rebate on Ibotta, but there was a $4.50 bonus if you redeemed this at Walmart. So check that offer in Ibotta, because that means I paid just 97 cents for this 90 sheet pack. And I've been wanting to try that Wrinkle Guard product. Now, I did buy the cranberry sauce at Walmart because at Target it was just more expensive. This is $1.76 at Walmart. Got $2 back on Ibotta. Now, if you purchased these items at Walmart instead of Target, it would be $1 for the gravy, get $1.40 back, making it a 40-cent moneymaker. The Jiffy was 52 cents at Walmart, getting 65 cents back on Ibotta, making it a 13-cent moneymaker. This was exciting. There were 2 Shopkick offers on products that we don't really get deals on very often. So the Glade Force Flex Pro, $5.92 at my store. I got back $3.64 on Shopkick, making my final cost $2.28 for this bag of trash bags. And I know you guys like trash bag deals. Y'all have told me that in the past. The Glad Cling. Now, I am a fan of the... not the cling, but the, what's it called? Y'all know, the press and seal. That's the one I like. But this one is $3.92, getting back $2.04 on Shopkick, making your final cost $1.90. And this is great with the holidays coming up, so I went ahead and picked it up. Totally had this in my freezer last week. Completely forgot to pull it out for the video. Check your Shopkick app. See if you have the offer for $2 back on this Carb Smart ice cream. My store only had vanilla, and I'm totally never going to eat vanilla ice cream because it's not worth the calories. If it's not chocolate, it's not worth it. That's my philosophy. $2.97, get back $2 on Shopkick, making this just 97 cents. So if you are one of my friends and you love vanilla ice cream, I think my dad is a vanilla ice cream fan. I got you some ice cream because no one in this house will ever eat it. That was it. So that was everything I got at Target and at Walmart. If y'all have questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you are finding other great deals, let us know down in the comments below. Don't forget to check the community tab where I am posting deals pretty regularly. Also, I'm doing a giveaway right now. So if you haven't watched my Walgreens video, jump on over there because I'm doing a $50 gift card giveaway. That giveaway ends Saturday. I'll be announcing the winner in a video on Sunday. Stupid scammers started contacting my followers. I will never send you a message in a YouTube comment and be like, hey, you won. I'm never going to do that. I will always announce the winner in a video. You will see my talking face in a video. For that reason, I'm not going to ask you for your personal information like that. So that winner will be announced on Sunday in my Walgreens video. I'm also doing a giveaway, a $50 gift card over on Instagram. So you pop over to Instagram on my page, Save with Christina. You'll see the giveaway post. That's where you would get yourself entered. Questions? You guys let me know. Thanks.